Kat Matlala was left stunned in court after attempting a new strategy to secure bail, a move that ultimately backfired. His legal team appeared to lean on his alleged political influence and connections within the ANC, but the presiding judge made it clear that the court would not be swayed by pressure or political undertones. The Johannesburg High Court once again became the center of attention on the 6th of February 2026, as the legal saga surrounding controversial businessman Vousamuzi Kat Matlala continued. Often described as a tender tycoon and alleged underworld figure, Matlala appeared in court alongside his wife, Takani Matlala, and three co-accused, Musa Kakana, Thigo Floyd Masela, and Zandile Nthengzama. Amid the tense proceedings, a brief human moment stood out. Masela was seen quietly speaking with his daughter in the public gallery, a reminder that behind the headlines are real families caught in the storm. The accused face a total of 25 serious charges, including 11 counts of attempted murder. These charges stem from 3 separate shooting incidents alleged to have taken place between August 2022 and January 2024. One of the reported targets was Matlala's former girlfriend, socialite Tebogo Toba Jane, adding a personal and emotional layer to what prosecutors describe as orchestrated attacks linked to organized criminal networks. This appearance followed a pre-trial hearing postponed from late January. Central to the dispute is Matlala's detention at Ebengeni Supermaximum Prison in KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa's only supermax facility. He was transferred there from Kagosi Mampuru Correctional Center in Pretoria in December 25. The Department of Correctional Services insists the transfer was driven by security and operational concerns. Officials say Matlala was classified as a high-risk detainee following internal assessments, placing him among other high-profile inmates housed under strict conditions. Matlala's defense team, however, strongly contests this decision. Led by advocate Anneline van Heerden, they argue that the supermax conditions make trial preparation extremely difficult. They claim consultations take place behind thick glass, communication is limited, privacy is compromised, and the long distance from Johannesburg restricts meaningful access to their client. The defense maintains that these conditions violate Matlala's constitutional right to a fair trial. They also say multiple letters sent to the National Commissioner of Correctional Services have gone unanswered. Presiding Judge William Karum addressed the matter directly in court. While acknowledging the defense's concerns, he stressed that prison placement decisions fall outside the scope of the criminal trial court. He advised the defense to pursue a separate urgent application if they wish to challenge the detention conditions or request relocation. Tensions rose further when the defense announced plans to file a fresh bail application based on what they described as new facts. This would be Matlala's third attempt at securing bail after previous applications were denied. Although no details were disclosed, the announcement reignited public interest in the case. The judge postponed proceedings to the 12th of February 2026, allowing both sides time to address outstanding procedural issues. For now, Kat Matlala remains behind bars at the Supermax facility. His case continues to grip the nation, raising tough questions about justice, security, and the balance between public safety and fair trial rights. Will Matlala finally be granted bail, or is he facing life behind bars? Share your thoughts in the comments. Mzansi This is SA Hot News. Subscribe now for breaking stories you won't hear anywhere else. Kingi.